Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials onto the board now. Pick one central board in a high-traffic spot and place an 8.5 by 11 sheet with a bold title and date. Once done, pin with 2 pins top corners so it stays flat. Make sure to include 1 line for contact info and 1 short summary. You act immediately to make the board usable. This sets the standard for clarity and makes subsequent posts consistent and easy to scan. You then organize content into clear sections: announcements, events, needs, using color tabs or headers so viewers know where to look. Once done, enforce a date stamp rule. Post only time-limited items and remove anything older than its expiration. This keeps the board readable. Make sure to add a short line or QR code for details rather than long text. This preserves space and encourages follow-up while maintaining a tidy, reliable notice board that people will trust and use repeatedly. You finish by setting a maintenance routine. Check the board weekly, straighten pins, replace faded or smudged prints, and remove duplicates so nothing blocks important information. Once done, appoint a board steward who rotates monthly to keep standards consistent. This prevents neglect. If a notice warps or becomes illegible, repin it flat and reprint immediately. This single troubleshooting step saves confusion and shows you care about reliability, which keeps readership high and engagement steady.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.